Hi, I'll show you how to create a post like this one with everything you need for social ROI. Engaging hashtags, emojis, author tagging, and a short link with a baked-in ad. I'll show you two ways to do this with RiteBoost. I'll do both from Feedly, but you can do this from any app you use for content discovery. The first way is to share the page directly to RiteBoost, selecting Enhance with RiteBoost. Then, tap the magic wand, and a post is generated with all the gifts. Then, select Share, then Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere, and it's good to go. The other way to use the RiteBoost app is to share a page to Twitter, etc., and at the end, type /enhance, and you get the post enhanced based on your default enhance preset. To modify your enhance settings, go to the RiteBoost app, open for the home screen, select enhance, change your enhance keyword if you like, and toggle on, off what enhance does, whether you type /enhance or your /keyword, or, as in my first demonstration, when you click the magic wand. For example, if you're mainly sharing to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, you'll want to opt for hashtags at the end rather than auto. You can set your default Writely link ad, append with event or campaign hashtags, and even set up replace rules. Remember to save. Use the plus to create additional /keyword enhance presets, such as for image or for clients using their link ads and replace or append rules. See how I'm doing here for images? When you open the RiteBoost app for the first time, at the bottom of the home screen, you'll need to enable, which makes those /keywords, like /enhance, makes them work in Twitter, Instagram, and other apps. So click Enable, find RiteBoost, toggle on, hit OK, and hit the back button a few times to get back to RiteBoost. Now your /enhance and other /keyword commands you set up in RiteBoost will work in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Buffer, and other apps. You're now set to boost.